Yo, what's goody? Here's today's trade recap. Pretty simple. Pretty nice. Alright. Alright. London high. London low. We tapped into the London high. Market opened at 7. That was when I got on the charts. We rejected at 7:10. I entered. Why is this kind of messed up? I put my stop above the high. That got a little messed up. It's alright, bro. And we didn't take profit. And yeah. It's a pretty simple day. Got stopped out. I forgot to make a trade recap. Wait, did I make a trade recap yesterday? I think I did. So technically my strategy has 1 win and 1 loss, so it's in profit for the week. Yeah. Alright. Thank you for the recap. See y'all later.